Здравствуйте, друзья! Меня зовут Кабир. Сегодня я расскажу вам, как люди празднуют Новый год в России. Давайте начнем. New Year is the most loved holiday in Russia, filled with joy, traditions, and fun celebrations. In Russia, people start getting ready for New Year many days before December 31st. They decorate a New Year tree, which is called ёлка. It looks like a Christmas tree, with the shiny ornaments, lights, and a star on top. Families also make delicious food for the celebration. Two popular dishes are Olivier salad and herring under a fur coat. Olivier salad. This is made with potatoes, vegetables, and meat. Herring under a fur coat. A salad made with fish, beets, and layer of other tasty ingredients. Tangerines are very popular too. They are a symbol of New Year in Russia. On December 31st, families and friends gather for a big dinner. They eat, talk, and enjoy their time together. Before midnight, people watch President's speech on TV. The President wishes everyone happiness and good luck for the new year. At midnight, when the big Kremlin clock in Moscow strikes 12, people raises their glasses, make a wish, and say, "S Novim Godom." This means Happy New Year in Russian. After that, fireworks light up the sky, and everyone celebrates with excitement. For kids, New Year is even more fun. Ded Moroz or Grandfather Frost brings them gifts. He is like Santa Claus but wears Russian clothes. Ded Moroz has a long blue or red coat and a magical staff. His granddaughter Snegurochka helps him. Together they make New Year magical for children. On January 1st, people relax. After staying up all night, they sleep late and spend time with their families. They watch famous New Year movies like Ironia Судьбы or The Irony of Fate, and eat leftover food from the big dinner. It's a quiet and happy day. New Year in Russia is full of traditions, tasty food, and family joy. Now you know how Russians celebrate this wonderful holiday. Спасибо за внимание. С Новым годом, друзья! Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for your support. До свидания.